push off. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Push to mama. Push off to mama. Push off to mama. Here. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You're very good. Ta-da! Can you say ta-da? Look at ta-da. Say ta-da. Yeah, ta-da. Where's the moon, she said. This is Stella. She's 20 months old and she's visiting Nana and Aunt Andy. And where's the moon? Do you see it? Do you see the moon? Where's the moon? Alright, so can you blow Dada bye-bye kiss? Say bye-bye. You want to do it one more time? One more time.
Or what about up top? Up top.
Okay, you want to jump off from the top? Let's get a video of you jumping. Ready? Count to 3. 1. Count loud. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! You say ta-da-da.
One more time.
One more time. One more time. Okay, one more time. Which one do you want to do? Push off? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Ta-da. Ta-da.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye-bye.